Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Rosalind DNA Classes. So, today I am presenting one important topic, that is the human circulatory system. And before going in detail about this human circulatory system, I want to give you a brief explanation about the circulatory system of different other types of vertebrates like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, all these. So let's start. So fishes, we will start from fish. You can see here, fish has one auricle, one ventricle. Fish has one auricle, one ventricle. As I told you earlier also, this auricle is also called atrium, and the plural form of the atrium will be atria. So that atria will come later on. That's why I have told you. Amphibians and reptiles, they have three-chambered heart. Just keep in mind, they have three-chambered heart where two auricles and one ventricles are present, and they have mixed type of circulation. So how this type of mixed circulation? What is this mixed circulation? So we'll discuss after this. Now, this crocodiles, birds and mammals. These crocodiles are the representative of the class Reptilia, but we have taken here because this crocodiles is the exceptional example of the class Reptilia, where we get four-chambered heart like birds and mammals. That's why we are considering crocodiles, birds and mammals possess a four-chambered heart with two atria. Now atria has come, two atria and two ventricles. Clear? So now one by one we will discuss in brief. First of all, we will discuss in fish. In fish, the heart pumps out deoxygenated blood. Just remind it, heart pumps out deoxygenated blood, which is oxygenated in the gills, you see, and supplied to the body parts where deoxygenated blood is returned to the heart. Means यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर heart से deoxygenated blood gills को जा रहे हैं. Gills में gaseous exchange होंगे with the help of the dissolved oxygen present in the water, and this carbon dioxide will be released in the water, isn't it? And after that, the blood will be oxygenated, and that oxygenated blood will supply the oxygen to the different parts of the body, isn't it? And after that, the deoxygenated blood will again come in the heart. So heart will always get the deoxygenated blood, and heart will pumps out the deoxygenated blood to the gills. You can see it in the picture also. There is a very good picture you can see here. So first of all, you see this is the heart of the fish, either cartilaginous fish or bony fish. You will get such type of heart. So one auricle, one ventricle. You can see here, this is the opening. This opening we call atrioventricular opening. Clear? So that atrium is opened in the ventricle at this point. After that, the blood will be pumped in this conus arteriosus, cone like shape. That's why its name is conus arteriosus. So this ventricle will contract rapidly, and the blood will go out through this conus arteriosus and ventral aorta to the, where it will go to gills. ये gills को जाएगा. Clear? Now you can see that next process of the circulatory system of fish in this diagram here. So that blood, you can see, I am starting here from here. These are the tissues where cells are present. In cells, gaseous exchanges are going on. So red color blood vessels indicates oxygenated blood, where oxygens are present, and these oxygens are supplied to the cells. And after that, that cells are releasing carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide will be absorbed by this vein, and this vein will come to the heart, and this deoxygenated blood will be again pumped out to the gills. These small circular pouch like structures are gills. Clear? So that will be pumped to the gills. You can see here in this picture that deoxygenated blood were going to the gills. Here from this heart, this deoxygenated blood has gone to gills, and from gill gaseous exchange will be going on here. Gaseous exchange means O2 will be absorbed and CO2 will be released, isn't it? CO2 will be released, and after that this dorsal aorta will carry oxygenated blood, and this oxygenated blood will supply oxygen to the cells, and after that again the deoxygenated blood will come to the heart. So in this way, this type of heart or such type of heart we can say venous heart, where deoxygenated blood comes in the heart and deoxygenated blood pumped to the gills. So, and such type of heart we call single circulation. You can see single circulation. Why it is called single circulation? Because single time blood comes and blood go out from the lungs. Now the second part, you can see in the second part, amphibians and reptiles. So amphibians and reptiles, you can see they have three chambered heart, two auricles, first and second auricle, and this is the single ventricle. So in this three chambered heart, you can see this is the truncus arteriosus, this is the opening of the sinus venosus. Sinus venosus collects blood from different parts of the body, and such type of blood is the deoxygenated blood, means it collects deoxygenated blood where carbon dioxide rich. So deoxygenated blood come here, you can see deoxygenated blood come here, है ना, और deoxygenated blood यहाँ से फिर यहाँ ventricle में आ रहा है. Now you see the second chamber of the auricle, that is the left auricle, LA I have written, that is the left auricle, RA right auricle. So opening of pulmonary vein, and from pulmonary vein I have written from lungs to heart, यानी lungs से ये पल्मोनरी वेन ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड को लेकर आ रहा है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे O2 लिख दिया. O2 इंडिकेट्स ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन गैस आ रहा नहीं है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है, ठीक है. एंड नॉस यू कैन सी ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड्स आर कमिंग through this auriculoventricular valve to the ventricle, and this deoxygenated blood that is coming from the sinus venosus, they are also coming in this ventricle. That's why I have written CO2. CO2 means deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood, and this carbon dioxide rich blood and oxygen rich blood will mix with each other. That's why such type of heart we called mixed heart, and such type of circulation we called mixed circulation. I hope you have understood mixed circulation. So that is written all about this, you can read here. After that I will move to the birds, mammals and crocodiles. You know, crocodiles will be included here. So birds and mammals have completely different, completely you can say completely separated structure to pump deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. That's why we are telling it double circulatory system, or they have double circulatory system. So heights we will discuss. Now you can see here oxygenated and deoxygenated blood received by the left and right atria respectively passes onto the ventricles of the same sides. The ventricles pump it out with any mixing, without any mixing up. Without any mixing up means यहाँ पर ये ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड मिक्स नहीं होते हैं. किसमें? तो मैमल्स, बर्ड्स एंड क्रोकोडाइल्स में. दैट इज रिटन हियर. नाउ you can see that picture here. This is the picture. So this is a very simplified picture you can see here, where you can see this is the left part, this is the right part, clear? And you can see this is the pulmonary vein, this is the aorta, and this is the pulmonary artery, vena cava. So vena cava, this is called superior vena cava, that collects blood from the upper part of the body, and this is called inferior vena cava, that collects blood from the lower part of the body. And this vena cava collect blood, and these bloods are deoxygenated, or you can say carbon dioxide rich blood are coming to the right auricle from this passage, and this two passage that we call pulmonary vein, through which oxygenated blood coming in the left auricle, isn't it? And these are the bicuspid valve, two cusps are present, and I have made a diagrammatic picture. Cusps are like this, you can see cusps are like this. Suppose this is the tube opening, so these are the two valve, you can say bicuspid. And here tricuspid I have shown, so it will be actually like this, 1, 2 and 3. So it will be tricuspid, 3 valves, tricuspid, isn't it? Tricuspid valve. So this is the very simplified structure. You will draw it. After that I will discuss with you. Clear? So right now I am stopping here, and we will discuss it in the next video. Thank you very much. And please, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the updation.